Guys, look at this. He makes very bad Garshuk. Look at this. And look at the other one too. Look at this. He has TikTok. I am not gonna follow him. Me and Angel Giovanni, we're not gonna follow him. Look at this. This is a ripped truck. Look at this.
Do you suffer from painful knees or hips? Do you suffer from painful knees or hips?
Look at
Don't
this.
wait. This offer is for TV viewers only and will not last.
The U.S.-based makers of Scoop have been solving fitness challenges for over 20 years.
I hate this.
So pick up the phone and call 1-800-30.
Look at this. Comment below why. I do not know. He makes very bad Garshuk. Gotta search a waste basket. Look at this.
Oh my God, is this your son? Yeah, that's my little smart boy. Oh, he's smart? Hey, how old are you, little man? Chicken nugget?
Yeah, I hate this dude. He makes very bad Garshuk. Look at it. He called Giovanni Truck. It's not Giovanni Truck. That's not Giovanni's truck. He made a bad Freightliner. I give thumbs down. And he's stealing people's video. The video's loading, guys. Look. Twisted Stripes will terminate him soon. I'm gonna expose Twisted Stripes. Look. He's stealing people's video. And he's stealing Twisted Stripes video. He might be good terminated. I'm telling Twisted Stripes from his channel. My going to terminate it. And he said Happy Labor Day. It's not Labor Day.
So what's up, guys? I'm gonna make the fighter truck. Okay, Diego, I got the parts ready for my truck. What's up, guys? I'm back, and I want to.
Look at this.
What's up, guys? I'm back.
Please don't twist that trash audio. Look. Says New Waste Management Station. Yep. I'm not gonna terminate. Alright.